All right, we're going to go ahead and put the orifice tube in. Here's the part number right there. There's a Ford part number, and there's a whole bunch of different part numbers. I showed you the old one, but since these are so cheap, and even though I cleaned up the old one, since they're, like I said, since they're so cheap, I decided to just go ahead and put a brand new one in. So let's get this out of here. Throw the packaging aside. All right, now before you put this in, pay attention to the arrow on here. And the arrow tells you that it goes in. Here's the arrow right here under my thumbnail. It tells you that it goes in this way. If you pull it out and it's this way, it was installed wrong. It's supposed to go in this way. So before you put it in, make sure and go ahead and put some AC oil on it. You can usually grab some from some of the lines that you've had, or put some fresh on it. It really doesn't matter. We do need to break this line. So you just pull these, you just push these two tabs in with your fingers and then pull up on this. There we go. Now to separate this line, you actually need a line tool. And let me go get that and show that to you. All right, to get that out, to get this open, you're gonna need one of these right here, or the metal ones. I like these because they're easy to get to if you have the dryer in here. With the dryer removed though, it's not so hard. You need the blue one, and it slips on like this, and then it goes in here. It doesn't look like it will go in there, but trust me, it will. And you push it in really hard. You might have to rotate it, try to rotate it, and then it'll come loose like that. All right, once you get that line loose, and go ahead and get some needle nose pliers or some little hemostats if you have those in your mechanics kit, and just, this is the orifice tube right here, just pull that out, and this is what it looks like. Now this is the direction it goes in. There's even an arrow right here. It tells you that it goes in this way. There's some of the coolant there, or the dye I should say. So this is the way it looks. Now initially when I pulled this out, this was full of metal shavings and all kinds of crap. So that was one of the reasons that I changed the compressor. So you got to pull this out, inspect it, make sure there's no metal shavings. If you end up with something like little straw bits on it, and if you look at this picture right here, you'll see what I'm talking about. If you see that on there, your compressor's bad. You'll need to change it. So, or if you have metal shavings in here, you know your compressor's bad, because that's the only place metal and those little like straw-like grass pieces can come from, is the compressor. The metal shavings are from, obviously, you know, metal wearing on metal, and the little straw bits, they actually are parts of the compression rings that go on the pistons that actually charge up your system. So if you see those things, just forget it. Don't try to just change this, and whatever you found that was leaking, you're gonna have to change the compressor. If your lines are good and they've been recently replaced, then you could probably just go for a flush and put it in. Put it in your system, recharge it, and go. If not, then you'll just do like what I'm doing. I'm just changing everything out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you learned something, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help the channel, please subscribe. God bless you all. Keith Nunny out.